I will check voice first of all. Voice is clear or not. After that I will start. Okay. I will start. I will check voice also. Okay. Voice is clear or not? I will check voice also. Now next problem is, I hope so everyone can do. Question number 7. Simply let here sin x is taken t. Okay, if this one is taken t, then differentiation of this one cos x dx, this is equal to how much? dt. After that this one replaced to sin x replaced to t, so cos t into cos x into dx is replaced to dt. So integration of cos t is simply sin t plus c, and sin t basically sin of sin x plus c. Okay. Now next problem is, here x square plus 1 into cos of x cube plus 3x plus 4 into dx. How can do? Look here, if this one is t, then what about that value? This one and this one, basically dt. So let here x cube plus 3x plus 4, this one is taken t, so differentiation of this one replace to dt. So this one written cos t divided by 3 dt. Okay, so x plus 1 dx is replaced to dt by 3, so that's why written here cos t divided by 3 into dt. Okay, after that cos t, integration of cos t basically plus sin t plus divided by 3 plus c. So sin x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by 3 plus c is the right answer. Make it. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay. After that I will take another problem. Now nine, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Integration of x square upon 1 minus x dx, and that one is root x upon 1 minus x cube dx. Next one is x square plus 3x plus 1 upon x plus 1 to the whole square dx. Okay, next one is 27 into e to power how much, 9x plus e to power 12x to whole power how much, 1 by 3 dx. How can do? One by one. First of all, everyone can try. How can do? Question number 9. X square upon under root 1 minus x dx. Without any, you can choose here minus 1 adding, plus 1 subtracting. You can also do. Otherwise, always which part is very difficult? Always, most of the time, denominator part, if also given in under root, then that 1 minus x is taken t. If 1 minus x is taken t, then x is replaced to 1 minus t. Okay, so basically here under root 1 minus x, so always take 1 minus x, this will equal to t square, then also root eliminate. Okay, so you can say that 1 minus x this will equal to t square. Let here, so what about x? X is replaced to 1 minus t square. So what about dx? Dx replaced to minus 2 t dt. So that one written x square basically 1 minus t to the whole square divided by that one t, and dx replaced to minus 2 t dt. After that minus 2, okay, 1 plus t to the power 4 minus 2 t square dt, minus 2 integration of 1 is t, and here t to the power 5 divided by 5 minus 2 by 3 into t cube plus c. Okay, after that this one written. What about t? T basically 1 minus root x, and here put 1 minus x to power 5 by 2 divided by 5 minus 2 by 3 into t, 1 minus x to whole power 3 by 2 plus c is the right answer. Also clear? Now, after that, I will focus on next problem, question number 10. How can do? Look here. Root x divided by 1 minus x cube into dx. Simply, if x is replaced, look here, that part is written how much, x to power 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus x cube dx. If this one is a f of x, then that one f prime x. Sorry, if this one is gx, then this one is g prime x. Okay, so g prime x basically x to power 1 by 2 means this one is a differentiation of x cube x to power 3 by 2. If let x to power 3 by 2 is taken t, then differentiation of that one 3 by 2 into x to power 1 by 2 dx this equal to dt. So basically x to power half dx is 2 by 3 dt. It means if this one making like that one, then your problem is solved. So that one taken t. So that's why here by 2 to whole power 2. Basically x cube is written as x power 3 by 2 into 2. Okay, and here after that x to power 3 by 2 to whole power 2, because of a to power m into n is written as a to power m to whole power n. That concept apply. Okay, so now I hope so clear why this one written like that one. After that this one dt divide dt 2 by 3 into dt divided by how much? Under root 1 minus t square. So what about that value? Simply 2 by 3 into sine inverse t plus c. Okay, and here 2 by 3 sine inverse t, t basically sine in x to power 3 by 2 plus c is the right answer. Make it. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay, I will discuss again. Now next problem is, we are focused on another problem, question number 9, sorry 10, 11, whatever. Problem number 11. Look here. If x is x plus, now here x square plus 3x plus 1, now divide by x plus 1 to the whole square dx. How can solve? Simply sometimes say surplus 1 adding, minus 1 subtracting, whatever. But if you face difficulty, which part is very difficult for your point of view? Always denominator part, most of the time denominator part. So x plus 1 is taken t. So basically x plus 1 replaced to t. So let here x plus 1 replaced to t. So dx is replaced to dt. And what about x? X replaced to t minus 1. So that one written how much? X square. So x square basically t minus 1 to the whole square plus 3 times x means t minus 1 plus 1 divided by how much? Here t square and dx replaced to dt. Very simple. So that one t square plus 1 minus 2t plus 3t minus 3 plus 1 whole divided by t square dt. After that this is t square, here minus 2t plus simply t, and here minus 3 plus 2, so minus 1 divided by t square into dt. Look, if divide by t square, then we got 1 plus 1 by t minus 1 by t square. So t minus t square is written minus t to power minus 2 dt. Okay, now what about that integration? Simply here t, that one log t, and that one minus 1 by t, so minus minus plus. After that t replace to x plus 1, and here log modulus of x plus 1, okay, plus 1 upon 1 plus x plus c is the right answer. Make it. Okay, this is the final answer. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay, very simple question. So now we have focused on question number 12. That part 27 into e to power 9x plus e to power 12x to whole power 1 by 3 dx. How can solve this type of problem? Simply, which part, if you take e to power 9x is common. Okay, if taken e to power 9x is common, So that one written e to power 9x to whole power 3 by 2, sorry 1 by 3 in bracket 27 plus e to power 3x to whole power 1 by 3 dx. Now what about that value e to power 9x? Okay, I know that e to power m to whole power n is written as e to power mn. So e to power 9x into 1 by 3. What about that value 27 into e to power 3x to whole power 1 by 3 dx. Okay, so that one written e to power 3x into 27 plus e to power 3x to whole power 1 by 3 dx. Now let here 27 plus e to power 3x is taken t, so e to power 3x into 3 dx, this is equal to dt. So dx is replaced to dt upon, sorry, e to power 3x dx replaced to dt by 3. So that one written 1 by 3 t to power 1 by 3 dt. Very simple. Basically 27 plus e to power 3x is replaced to t. Okay, 27 plus e to power 3x replaced to t. So t to power 1 by 3 and e to power 3x, e to power 3x into dx is replaced to dt by 3. So 1 by 3 dt and that value replaced to t. So what about that integration? Simply you can say that, look very carefully, this one written 1 by 3 integration of that one t to power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, basically 4 by 3 plus c. So 3 cancel, 1 by 4 into t to power 4 by 3 plus c. So 1 by 4 t means how much? 27 plus e to power 3x to whole power 4 by 3 plus c is the right answer. Make it. Okay, let's make it. That is question number 12 is completed. Now we have focus on another question. Question number 13.